Hi, I'm Kaleb Arnall for United Pacific. Today, we're exploring the options to enhance your steering wheel with United Pacific's range of steering wheel covers, offering both style and comfort for your truck. Our steering wheel covers come in a variety of different styles to suit your preferences. Choose from durable black leatherette for a classic look, or opt for exciting colors, perforations, and stitching patterns to match your truck's interior. Crafted from quality engineered leather, these covers are designed to maintain their appearance and comfort over the long haul. The grip diameter provides extra cushioning, reducing fatigue during extended drives, making them ideal for truckers who spend hours on the road. Installing these covers are a breeze. Simply slip the cover over the steering wheel, starting at one point. Work your way around the wheel, ensuring the internal ribs grip securely. A top tip for a neat finish: align the seam at the bottom of the wheel for a professional look. Whether you're looking to protect your steering wheel or refresh its appearance, our covers are designed for easy installation and lasting satisfaction. If you need assistance, support is available at faq.upauto.com. You can find our product at any United Pacific dealer or visit our website at truck.upauto.com.